What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to walkthrough of level 3 on Fabric Box in Cut the Rope. This is the second box of the game, and if you missed the first box on Cardboard Box, we actually walked through and got a 3-star on every single level, and I compiled it all into one video as well. If you want to check the playlist linked at the top of the description, you'll be able to see all my walkthroughs for Cut the Rope all at one place, including a full walkthrough of all the levels on Fabric Box if that's what you're looking for as well, and you want to get up past all this bullshit intro and outro crap. And speaking of that crap, let's waste no more time and hop into this third level. What you're going to notice here is the spikes are finally introduced. Don't worry about them. Just go ahead and push that balloon with the rope still connected, and then slice the balloon to the left so that the candy is hovering right over the 2 stars of candy. And then it's still going to be on the rope and just bob a little bit, but you can just hit the balloon once and it's going to go into Om Nom's mouth. Don't get too crazy with that balloon because obviously it might go out of whack and get into the spikes. Just one tap on the balloon is all you need, and it will perfectly swing into his mouth, giving you that 3-star level complete, and we can move on to the next level, which by the way is also linked at the top of the description if you need a walkthrough with that, and also a full playlist with all of the other levels if you need help with that. If you did find this level walkthrough helpful today though, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.